Okay. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So now going to the next. Is this better than board? Yes. Yes. Is this better than marker and board, or that was better?
Sir, anything you can. Anything.
Okay. Good. So basically, meter per second we know, SI unit we know, right?
Yes, sir.
Do you want me to explain anything specific in this?
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
No need.
I will move ahead. This question I find really important. Unit of density. So here you have to take one care that if it is in gram, then another quantity will be in centimeter. You cannot not write gram per meter cube. That is totally wrong. Or kg per centimeter cube. That is totally wrong. Yes, both the things are wrong. Then what is right? Yes,
Live streaming on YouTube.
your voice is breaking.
Yes, sir.
My voice is clear, audible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Your voice is audible.
Okay, good. So one thing in the density, always remember this thing. You cannot mix two quantity, centimeter, gram, and second. This is called CGS system, and this in meter, this kilogram, and the second. This is called MKS system. So if you are writing unit in this system, write in this system. You are writing in this system, write in this system. Don't mix. For example, this is gram from CGS, right? And meter cube. Meter cube is from MKS system. So never mix. छोटे के साथ छोटा रखो, बड़े के साथ बड़ा रखो. Here क्या हो गया? Gram is a छोटी quantity and meter is a big quantity. You have mixed up. Then
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
here gram is a smaller and centimeter both are smaller. Then this is okay, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, here I was written kg gram. So that's why it was
कि
wrong.
मैं वीडियो में चली जाऊंगी.
Okay. So which one is the correct answer? This one is the correct answer.
Gram per centimeter. Sir, gram per centimeter.
Yes. Gram per centimeter nahi, gram per centimeter cube.
Yes,
This
sir.
one. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
So which of the following derived quantities? Tell me first.
Sir,
Force.
force.
Yes, force. So assertion and reasoning. Yes.
Sir, for assertion is correct, but reason is wrong.
So change in unit, right? Changes the number.
Yes, sir. It's
A smaller unit of measure, smaller is the number. So 100 centimeter.
sir. The reason is wrong.
Yes. See, 100 centimeter will become what? 1 meter. So which one is a bigger? Meter is a bigger, so number will be smaller,
Yes, sir.
right? So
Yes,
the
sir.
first one is a right, assertion is a right, reasoning is a wrong, right? That is this is the answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Sir, I am joining from another device. Can you take it in?
Yes, I will do.
Thank you, sir.
So, okay. See now, the few questions are very
The
common.
tenth one will be both correct.
Yes. Question number 11 I'll take. Few question only I'm taking. I request all of you to resolve it, and then come back to me any doubt. 1 nanometer is what? 10 raised to minus 9 meter, right? 1 millimeter was 10 raised to minus 3 meter. And you want the correct statement, right? Right? So it is a correct.
Yes, sir. The
Okay,
statement
sir.
1 is correct.
Okay. So a few more questions are there, little important. These questions. Many times they are. Okay, this type of questions. So this is a condition when there is no stone inside it. So what is the reading? What is the reading? Almost 69 it appears to be, right? Right? 69
Yes, sir.
centimeter cube.
Sir, it will be 68.
Okay, 68. And here after dropping the ball it is 82
82.
centimeter cube. And what is the volume of this stone? Difference,
The
na?
volume will be
Difference, na?
Yes, sir. Difference.
So
difference.
it will be how much?
82 minus 6.
14.
14 centimeter cube.
The 14 centimeter cube.
The 14.
Good?
14
Yes,
centimeters.
sir.
Okay. Getting? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Anyone having any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So, okay. So, this example of bicycle, right?
Yes, sir.
So, in which we have to find the direction at the point X. So, if this point it will be thrown, then it will go straight, right?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
If this point is thrown, directly go to the earth. This point thrown, it will go tangential. Tangential means a point touching the circle and going out. That is called tangent. Tangent means it has only touch. Only one touch. Are you getting?
Yes.
Getting? So here only one touch is this. That is tangential direction. What is tangent? What is tangent?
Tangent is a line touching
One
only one
point
point
touch.
of a circle.
Touching only one
One
power.
point touch.
1 point.
One point. For example, this is a circle. This is a circle, and this, is it a tangent? Is it a tangent? Is it a tangent? Which one is tangent? 1, 2, 3. Yes, tell me.
Sir, the third one, I think.
Yes, third one is a 1 point touch, no?
Yes,
This
sir.
is a tangent. These are not tangent. These are
Because
called
two, three
chord.
points are touching.
They are called chord. And what is this? If this is a center, then this is called diameter. The chord which passes through center is called diameter. Okay. So hope this clear where the direction will be, and that is this, no doubt. Okay. Okay. Everyone,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I am
sir.
moving towards next problem. Anybody want to ask any specific question? I'll take it. Otherwise I'll move ahead.
Sir, move ahead. Move ahead.
Okay. So this question of the second water, can you tell me answer of question number 30?
The 90
90
centimeters.
90 centimeter cube.
90 centimeter
Okay,
cube.
30
Because
centimeter
60 and
cube,
30 will add in.
and this is 60 centimeter cube.
So when we add to
Okay.
it, we'll get 90
Sir,
centimeter cube.
Okay.
90 centimeters.
90. Okay. And what about this? This pulley will do which kind of motion?
sir, sir,
That rotational.
Rotational.
Because one point is fixed of this, and it's moved like this. Right now?
yes, sir.
So this is for rotational
Rotational.
motion. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Because at this point is a fixed,
Sir,
and then
because it is moving in its axis.
yes, good. Okay. And what about this? Images 39.
Sir, which one?
The periodic motion.
Sir, periodic.
Okay.
Third one.
Okay, good. Revision is always simple. That's why I tell all of you to do it regular basis. Why? You remember when we did it in the class first time, how much time it took?
Yes, sir.
How much?
There's so much.
It took almost 2-3 class. That means 3 hours. And now we are able to do in how much time?
Sir, one period.
Only 10-15 minutes. That's why I tell always revision take less time. Okay. So this example, right?
Yes.
Okay, which one will be floating
The
after 10?
pencil. Pencil.
Yes, stone will and metals and glass all will down only.
Pen.
What is common
Because
in the motion?
Sir, all are circular.
Yes. And this? 42.
Sir, both 1 and
Both
2.
1 and 2.
Rotational and translatory. Okay.
Because sir, it is rotating.
And this,
And
why? 43.
sir, 10 meter per second.
Yes, sir. 10 meters per second.
Yes,
10
good.
meter per second.
10 meter per second, right? And this started from A and coming back to A. What will be displacement?
0 will be the displacement.
Zero.
Sir,
Everyone,
because it is coming again.
Again to
Again, it starts from A and coming back to the A. That's
yes. So now 49 and 50 was good question. Yes.
so 14. So 1,200 meter.
Okay. So
1,200.
he has covered how many rounds? 4 rounds, right? Right?
4 rounds.
1,200.
Rectangular field.
One round is equal to
12.
this, right?
Uh,
That means 2 into 50 into 4.
so 1 round is equal to 300. So 4 round is equal to 1,200. Because
Yes.
4 into 3 is equal to 12.
Right? And in this 50 question, can you see?
T. So T is equal to T by 4.
Small t is equal to t by 4.
Because this time is taking this much here, right? Right?
Yes, sir. 4. T by 4.
Okay. So okay. So why it is so? Because he is going from here to here, then coming back here. That is a half time, right now? So it will divide it among these two. It will become half a half. That is 4, right? And similarly going there and coming back. So one particular time is getting t by 4. Are you getting? So there is 4 such type of motions. So 4 into t by 4 is equal to total time period. Are you getting?
Yes.
Everyone? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So now we will go to the next chapter, that is
Light shadow.
The light,
Light,
shadow, and
shadows, and force.
reflection.
yes, light side and reflection. So in that we have only 2 or 3 major topics, right? That was umbra, penumbra,
Umbra,
reflection of
penumbra.
light, laws of reflection of light. That simple was chapter,
Sir,
right?
beams of light also.
Beams
How
of light
the.
and rays of light, right?
Yes, sir.
Convergence. Divergent.
Okay.
Some multiple reflection of light also.
Yes. Multiple reflection of light. That we did in which particular instrument?
Sir, kaleidoscope and periscope.
Yes. So multiple reflection we used in
Sir, kaleidoscope and periscope.
periscope we use. Kaleidoscope you are using. Yes, that also multiple reflection. Okay. So I'll take you to another topic, that is light. Yes. So we'll quickly revise this. Do anyone remember? We had one discussion on it. Why to learn the nature of light? Yes. Why we learn the nature of light? No idea. Yes, tell me. Why should we learn the nature of light? Because if we know the nature, we become the friend, right? So that's why it is the nature. And there is different nature of the light. First is that travels in the form of wave, right? Is it spread out in all direction like this, right? Right? So it does not need any medium. It stays anywhere, right? It always goes in straight line. So this is nothing very different or special. We all know, we all see daily. But still we need to learn, right? I'm not getting anyone's response now. Then we saw the beams of light. There is three different types of beams of light. One is coming together, that is convergent.
Convergent, divergent, and
Going out,
parallel beams.
they are going divergent. And this is
Parallel.
parallel. So one my simple question, in prism we get which kind of this beam in prism? Hmm?
What is your question, sir?
In prism we get which kind of beam? Convergent, divergent.
Divergent. Divergent beam.
Yeah.
Divergent beam.
Okay, good. So one who said divergent is, see here, in this prism the light rays comes, right? Then while going out, going different colors, no? Seven colors. So which kind of ray this is?
It is divergent only.
Yes. So this question mark comes many time in the exam. Okay. Then we discussed about the pin of point object that cause only umbra. that cause only
Penumbra also.
umbra, no penumbra.
Sir,
If
in
your
that we
source,
find only umbra, but
your source is
two things we have to know.
pinpoint, point object, point source of light, point source.
Sir, in point source only Umbra is there, and in
Only umbra,
source
nothing else.
Penumbra and Umbra is there.
Yes, only umbra. Why? Because source is very small. So whatever is going casting the shadow, getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So these are the light sources of the object, that is extended sources. Then we study the lunar and solar eclipse. Which is example of this, lunar or solar? Yes,
Sir, it is extended.
it is a solar or lunar.
Sir, it is lunar.
Okay. Able to hear me clearly, all of you?
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
Yes, sir.
Sir, we can hear
Totally clear? No, no, like anything.
Yes,
Sir, totally clear.
Okay, thank you. Now we are moving towards. Okay. So we'll quickly discuss the numericals a little bit. Okay. Then we discuss this one, laws of reflection. So first laws of reflection is angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. And second was all three lines lies in the same plane. Right now?
yes, sir.
Then we discuss the plane reflection and diffuse reflection. So where we'll get clear and where we'll get not. Then we discuss lateral. Lateral means you get inward. Just like if you see your thumb in the uh, mirror, you will get opposite like this. Right now, if you will say A like this, you will get F like this.
Right hand, then it will be left.
If you will show your right hand, you will get the left hand. Right. They are mirror image of each other, like this. Are you getting
Yes,
these two hands? Okay. Our left side is a mirror image of right side, like this. Then we discuss these two devices, kaleidoscope and periscope. Kaleidoscope is for purpose like enjoy different colors, and periscope to see hidden objects. Then we discuss about the color light. This is very important. Just like you have white color shoes and you have laser light. If you will focus laser on the shoes, what kind of color you will get? The shoes is
white.
no, you will find it is red. The kind of color you will incident on the white shoes, it will appear like, I'll give one example. Sometimes you go in the function, sometimes you go out in the night time, you're wearing some white color shirt. When you go near the white color, near green color, near orange color, your shirt appear like you're wearing a orange color, green color, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
You have experienced it. So that is not good. That's what I'm saying. Physics is everywhere. You need to observe. That's simple.
Sir, it's
Okay.
also relate the maths,
Relate to the
mathematics.
yes, because twin mathematics is the twin of physics. So they are not two different things. They are same. Okay. Math and physics are not two different things. They are they are same almost. They are same because physics has come from math only and math vice versa. That's why we see maximum numerical in the physics. Okay. Okay. Then see the example we have got only the kind of dress and red color, right? You are showing the red color and you are getting the different color different. That means what is the color of the t-shirt? White, right? No?
Yes.
Yes, sir, because whatever the color of the bulb, that color is only reflecting
Yes.
on the shirt.
Yes. So now she is 20 meter away from the screen. So how long will be the image?
Sir, it will be same.
The size of the image will be same.
Yes.
The size of the image will be same, sir.
Yes, sir, because
That will
only
be
20 centimeter is she's far from the
the
middle.
image also will be 20 centimeter far, but the size will not be different. That will be same.
Because very few
Sir, because it is
centimeter.
very short distance between
Yes,
the
sir.
girl and the mirror.
Only 20 centimeter.
No, size of image does not changes. In the plane mirror, size does not change. What is size that you will able to see? That's simple. Getting?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, good. Then we have multiple more examples. Anybody want to discuss any particular example? You can tell me, or I'll quickly move ahead like this.
Sir, how we will find the angle between the incident ray and the reflected ray?
Good question. So I'll back to that question. So there is no such question. I'll give one example. Incident ray.
So can you speak little bit louder because your voice is too low?
Sir, your voice is feeble.
Okay. Now see, this is a incident ray. That is angle of incident. We always measure with normal.
Sir, angle of incident equal to angle of the reflected.
This is a reflected ray, and this angle called angle of reflection.
Incident.
And what you want the angle between incident ray and reflected ray, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is I plus R.
Sir, we will divide by.
Add these two. Are you getting?
Yeah, sir.
Now clear. Now voice is clear. Now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, how we will find it in opposite direction?
Okay. So opposite direction you want. So you can come like this angle. So this is 360 minus addition of these two angles, I plus R. Okay, but generally you never ask to calculate like this. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Should I move ahead?
Yes, sir. You can move ahead.
Any question from the light anyone want to ask?
No, sir, no questions.
Okay. So now I'll take you to the
So 33 question, 33rd question, 33 question.
33.
33.
Okay. Now voice is proper, no? Audible, no?
Yeah,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so see, in the given x, y, z, which are observed in the
Sir, it will be
what?
third one. X is converged.
Yes, sir.
X is
Yes,
converged, Y is intersected, Z is diverged.
Diverge.
yes.
Yes,
Uh,
sir, I understood the question
okay,
and answer.
It is telling what type of rays it is.
okay. So at x you are getting uh, convergence,
Sir, converge.
Converged.
and y they are intersect,
Intersect.
and z they will diverge.
Diverge.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
so this is third is the answer. So
Sir, in Foundation 1 Physics on page number 24, there is one question. Sir, then how we will solve that question?
can you tell me that question?
Sir, it is telling how can you find the angle between the incident ray and the reflected ray?
I just saw, no? See, this is a
The
normal.
distance between incident and reflected ray.
No, angle between incident and reflected.
Sir, we have to add the angle of incident ray
Yes.
and reflected ray.
So if you add
Sir,
this
just
angle,
now you told.
Yes, sir.
yes, getting. So by adding angle of incidence and angle of reflection, you will get that angle between incident ray and
Sir, but this is the question.
okay, wait, just wait. Just how you find the angle between incident ray and the little away, take little away book, and the reflected ray. So that is only method. Okay, okay, that is also the same thing. See, whether you are finding between these two or that two, I'll explain. Wait, see, this is a normal. Okay, so here is angle of incident, and here is a reflected ray. Now, you want to find angle between these two, or you want to find this is extension of this incident ray only. Okay, so either you find this angle or you find this angle. Both angle are same. Okay, okay.
Yes.
So both is the angle between them. So that will be the same. That is I plus R. And if you want to calculate here, then how you will do it? So this angle, you see this angle and this angle. This angle is equal to this angle. That is incidence angle. So 90 minus incident angle is this angle. And now this is R, no? So total is 90. So this 90 minus R is this angle. Now if you will add up these two, what you will get? 180 minus I plus R. Same thing it is. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hey, any other question?
Sir.
Okay. Okay. Okay, good. So should I invite you tomorrow also for class?
Okay, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir,
Yeah,
it
sir,
is
it's
fine,
fine.
sir.
I am fine
Yes,
if
sir.
you all will come daily.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
sir, it's fine. I can't come daily, sir, because my exams are starting.
Okay. Okay, those who have exam. So how exam is going?
Sir, it will start from this Thursday.
Okay, so how
It is
your
go. I finished my physics full syllabus. Now I have to just revise.
okay, any difficulty you are facing?
Yes, sir.
What difficulty?
Sir, actually, I don't have the book now, but is it fine if I ask tomorrow in doubt counters?
Yes, yes. All of you kindly come on doubt counter. I wait all of you. So
Yes,
at least
sir.
you can come for a story, na? There you get lot of story. If you don't have doubt, come for a story.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So now I'll tell one story on. Anybody remember? Anybody remember?
sir, you
What
told
story, sir?
three stories. So, which story you are talking about?
That's why I'm asking. Anybody remember what I told? Yes? Nobody remembers, huh?
Sir, for which story?
Ah, which story? What I told in the beginning? Tell me. Huh? Nobody remember, huh? You'll not get gift. Hmm? Which story I told in the beginning? I am telling everything, still you are not getting it.
Sir, you told that you will tell one story to us at the start.
Yes.
Yes, sir, related to Daughter's Day.
Okay. Good. Now you are remembering after seeing the screen, right?
Yes, sir.
No, sir. I had a question that you were asking about the past stories you have told.
Okay.
Yes, sir, you have told.
Okay. So it was very auspicious day. It was Ekadasi also. Ekadasi means day which is very dear to the Lord Krishna. So that's one sign that it was a very good day. Yes? Yes?
Yes, sir.
So I'll tell one nice story. Uh, it's about Draupadi. Do you know Draupadi who is? Hmm?
Yes, sir.
So,
Pandav's wife.
okay. So she was considered to be one of the best.
Daughter.
Daughter.
Okay. She was considered to be the one of the best daughter.
In the world.
Daughter is a son of in-law also and daughter at home also. Why? There is one very famous story.
Sir, in Mahabharata, there is also.
Okay. Can all of you hear?
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No,
Okay,
sir.
wait.
Sir, you can convert it into share screen, sir. Divide.
Okay, okay. Okay, no problem. Just I'm sharing the screen. So, so once Krishna was there and Draupadi was also there. uh, there was one sage. He came with 10,000 disciples. How many disciples? How many?
10,000.
10,000. So with 10,000 disciples, he came, and then he asked, what he asked? That please supply food for all 10,000. Yes, for all 10,000. So he was not able to do so, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay. So he was not able to supply the food for all. Why it was so? Why it was so? I'll tell you one thing. Because Draupadi received one benediction from Lord Sun that he received one special vessel only for cooking food, and name was Akshay Patra. What was the name?
Akshay Patra.
Akshay Patra. So what was the promise? That uh, if you have not taken the food, as long as you are you have not taken the food, okay, as long as you have not taken the food, so you will be able to, okay, so if you have not taken the food, then you will be able to feed as many as people you want with that simple vessel, one small vessel. But problem was that she was taking the food when the sages arrived, so she was in the danger. Then what to do now? Then she called out. Who? Who she called out?
Krishna.
Krishna.
Yes, sir. Then Krishna is called out. Then only one rice is left. So Krishna eat that one rice. So
Okay.
Yes,
Good.
then
all
Lord
the
Krishna burped. Then all the
Okay. So
10,000 people who came for eating the
their
food.
stomach is
So,
full.
yes, sir.
so what
In the
happened?
Mahabharata it
Mahabharat scene,
shows.
it was
Okay.
there.
So
Yes, sir.
what happened in between this one grain rice? He asked Draupadi, just go and bring something. Then she told there is nothing. Then he again asked, go and at least check something will be there. Then she again replied, there is nothing. Then he asked, okay, bring vessel, I'll see. Then he saw with light of sun. Then he find one, not full grain, a very smeared little part on one side of the vessel. Then he took it, and all become satisfied. Belly was filled. My question is why? Why it happens so? If Krishna is taking one grain, all 10,000 belly is getting full. Is it just a story or is it fact?
It is a fact.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
In fact,
okay,
it is.
good. But question is why? Can you explain it logically? If somebody will ask you how, then how you'll explain it?
Sir, what?
If somebody will ask you how is it possible that Krishna taking one grain, 10,000 people is getting fully nourished? How it is?
Sir, because he is Lord, he can do anything.
That's okay, but you should be able to give a logical reason also to explain it fully. Okay, I'll give one good example. Do you know plant?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if you'll give water to the root, okay, Ram is giving water to the root, and Sam is giving water to the each and every leaves and fruit and everything, and twinkle everything, tongues, leaves. Then who will be successful?
Sir, those,
Sir Ram.
Sir
Ram.
Ram, because he is giving
So
the water to the roots.
and Ram is giving only 1 liter, and Sam is giving 200 liter. Then whose plant will survive?
Ram.
Who, and why not Sam?
Sir, because roots absorb water.
And
Yes.
passes
And
every
then
part of the
anyone,
plant.
now anyone can relate this for giving the answer which I asked earlier. I give analogy, good analogy. Can anybody relate this and give the answer?
No.
Sir, that I think that the Krishna.
Sir,
I
like
don't know the
Krishna
answer.
ji is root and all other are the parts of the plant. So he is eating the rice. So all of them his stomach are full.
Good, very good. So she had given a brilliant answer. Yes. So it was
Sir, it is he.
yes, yes.
Sir, you are telling that
So,
she gives the
so
brilliant idea, but he
oh,
is.
she is Risika. Risita, right?
Sir, Rishika.
Risika. Okay. Okay. Risika has given.
No, sir, I have given.
Sir, but the answer given by the Harshit.
How?
Yes, sir, I told that Krishna ji is like root and all other are the parts of the plant. So Krishna
Okay.
ji,
Okay. Harshita also give very correct answer, and Rasika also did. Okay. At least both of you did, right?
no, sir, I did only.
Okay. Harshit did.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Rasika didn't did.
No, sir,
She is there or not there?
Yes.
is there.
Sir, she is there.
Okay. Oh, thank you. So because he is doing always good experiment, so she get good answer also. That's power of experiential learning. I'll tell you more detail in the next. Once
Yes,
exam
sir.
is over, I have designed some workshop only, STEM workshop for all of you. You'll enjoy it more. But after exam, I'll give. So
Yes,
Krishna is a root. If you're satisfied Krishna, everybody will be satisfied.
yes, sir.
And if you'll go to satisfy each and every individual, just like leaves, twigs, plants,
They
fruit,
will not be satisfied.
and neither they will be happy. If you satisfy Krishna, the root, the water, everybody will receive it proper way and everybody will be satisfied, isn't it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So this is how things happen. So because Krishna is the root of all, so all got satisfied, fully satisfied. Right?
Yes, sir.
And now comes the quality of the daughter. What is the quality of daughter? Can anybody tell from the story? Any two quality? Try everyone.
Sir, what Draupadi?
Yes. Draupadi is a daughter, na? Ideal daughter. And and few learning from the story. Any two learning. Any five will tell me. Any five. First, anyone want to tell? Harshit, Risika,
She
Risika.
always listened to her parents.
Parents and elder ones.
Good. And and
She always teaches us to tell the truth.
okay, good. And more. And more.
She always satisfies everyone's need.
Good. And more.
She is always satisfied in any reason or situations.
Okay, good. But more. That's all are very good qualities. But
Sir,
roots
she
also these
practiced the
qualities.
old saying Atithi Devo Bhava.
That's very nice. But what is it? There is something more. I'll tell you one thing. If you are in difficulty, what do? You call out someone, no?
Yes, sir.
Whom you
Yes,
have the
sir.
So
match.
we pray to the God.
So he called Krishna, and Krishna came also. That is the highest thing for the Draupadi, because he has faith. She cried, he called, and Lord Krishna came. He was there in somewhere else only, long away. Immediately he arrived, because he stay in our heart only. How long he will take time to come? The easiest person can come to help his Lord only,
Krishna.
because he is closest, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes,
But
yes,
but
sir.
you think when you are in the difficulty, when you are not able to solve the numerical of the physics, you are
Sir,
having
but
difficulty.
at the question of the time, the God is not going to come and tell the answer of the question.
Yes, he can come and answer your question, or he can arrange the mean and medium to get your answer.
Yeah, sir.
So you can see how many times you call out Krishna, and if you not, then develop it. That is the best quality of daughters. And even you all, dear sons, you also can practice this quality. Calling out Krishna in difficulty, the biggest quality of human being, the biggest. Okay, okay,
Okay, sir.
okay. You can call him, greet him like Janmashtami on happy day also. Then second quality was that she never wasted food. Isn't this very remarkable quality?
Yes, sir.
Not a single grain, even Lord was able to see. He saw with the sunlight, then he found it. That is the miraculous quality of daughter. She is the conscious about the food. Why? Because she prepared in, offer it to Lord, make it prasad, then distribute everyone taken, then take care of distribution fully completed, then she took and then over, wash it out. Never wasted single grain. That is the quality of daughters. So I hope all of you have heard these two qualities. Yes,
Can you repeat?
the first quality I said very clearly audible. I am very clearly.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir. Very.
Okay. So the first quality I told that you are calling Krishna. Daughter means calling Krishna for help. She didn't call Arjuna for help. He was the biggest fighter,
Sir,
right?
sir, only daughter can call the Krishna.
See, in your home, who is considered more strong
Her mother.
and who is considered comparatively as to say weak? Not weak, but just to say in the home. Who is given most protection?
Sir, Lord.
Daughter.
Gods.
So in the classroom, if I am there, whom I will give most attention?
Sir, two girls.
Not girls only.
But to the children who you are teaching.
Who is struggling to do something, right? He's not getting. He's struggling to solve a
He
numerical.
or
Whom
she
I
is
will give?
putting more effort on a
Yes,
particular thing.
that means one who is kind to say weak and putting more effort. So that one will wrap my attention, right?
Yes, sir.
So similarly, so to say, not weak, so to say, but the maximum protection, everything is given to the daughter, and Krishna also gives. Krishna gives to Draupadi, Krishna gives to Kunti, Krishna gives to 16,000 woman who was uh, kidnapped by the uh, one demon. So he killed the demon and built 16,000 palace. And each palace was not having light, just like you and I have CFL lights. He was having jewels, and jewels was making this light like diamonds. So he gives the maximum protection. And for you also he gives your dear son like Prahlad. He single comes, Prahlad 5 year old. For him only, alone one Narasimha comes up. Yes?
Yes, sir.
So he is not partial, he gives
He
everyone.
always prayed to Lord Vishnu.
So that is the quality to call out help from Krishna. Okay?
Yes,
And
sir.
and next, and what was the second? Not a single grain was wasted.
Sir,
Right?
all were preserved.
Whatever is there in the your thali, you can eat up all. Or while taking, you consider it how much you can take.
Sir, all were used up. Not a single piece was wasted.
So not a single grain was wasted. Right?
Yes,
Right?
yes,
So all of you will try to do this two things. Yes?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Okay, so that's all for today. Uh, we may meet tomorrow. Maybe you all come by 4 on doubt counter only. We'll discuss electricity chapter, and then okay,
Okay,
you
sir.
all come at 4 on the doubt counter. We'll discuss electricity chapter.
Sir, at 4 o'clock we have to come.
Yes, 4 o'clock come. All you together. Or you do your study of this two chapter and find out the question and ask on the doubt counter. That also okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hare Krishna.
Radhe Radhe, sir.
Radhe Radhe.
Radhe Radhe, sir.
Radhe,
Radhe
Radhe.
Radhe.
Bye, sir.
Radhe Radhe.
Bye, sir.
Bye.